Once again, I welcome all of you to section 3. In this section, we are going to know many uh, facts about Olive Ridley, the sea turtle. Let me read the paragraph. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. We think that okay, it's hatched, it's finally hatched, and it will reach the sea and it will live happily and it will become an adult. Not like that. Before it became an adult, it faces lot of problems. Its predators may affect it. It should escape from the predators, and it predators like crabs, birds, crocodiles, and some big fishes. Okay, from all these predators, the small turtle, the young turtle, should escape and should become an adult. Is really it's a big job. In fact, scientists that's why estimate that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings became an adult. We are thinking that it lays 100 eggs and 1,000 eggs at a time, but not all eggs are becoming adult. In that, only one in 1,000 becomes an adult. It's very sad. Second paragraph. After many years of swimming in the open sea, the female catchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. See, it's really a mystery. The female hatchlings, now it's an adult, so it reaches this, for at nesting time it reaches the same place. It comes out of the sea and it comes to the seashore and it goes to the place where it was born. Wow, they come there to lay their eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. Sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nests of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. So in this paragraph we are learning that sea turtles are facing so many dangers, not only natural dangers, it is also facing human activities like hunting and threatening like that. See, some people they hunt them for their meat and collect their eggs, and some sea turtles are attacked in the water, uh, by the ship or by the boat like that. And even some problems like pollution. Yes, pollution is the main thing. And dumping plastics into the ocean is another thing, another hectic thing which will kill. Almost it is killing all the animals in the ocean. It is affecting the marine life of all the sea animals. And some construction activities are being held also hurt the sea turtles survival. So how to save the sea turtles? Yes, we have to make some plans, and we have to plan systematically to tackle these problems, and we have to remove all the threats and fears of sea turtles only by planning. Okay, so if you do like that, definitely we can see sea turtles uh, even in the future. So in this lesson is over. In this lesson glossaries are given, so many new words, beautiful words are given with its meaning. Along with its meaning it is given. So all you have to do is take a paper and write a self test and post me in the group. Thank you.